New to design? Want to create eye-catching graphics without any design skills or expensive software? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Canva, the ultimate free tool for beginners, to design YouTube thumbnails, documents, videos, logos, and so much more. Canva is a fantastic tool for content creators where you can create a bunch of graphics. It has both free and paid versions, but the free version is super enough for absolute beginners. Using Canva, you can create YouTube thumbnails, spreadsheets, documents, whiteboards, presentations, social media posts, video edits, web UI UX, and many more. Using Canva Search, you can search your templates if you have already made some, or you can find a template and customize it, or you can even build from scratch. Leveraging Canva AI, you can provide a prompt, and the Canva AI will generate a template based on that. Then you can customize that template. Now let's start with how you can use Canva for creating YouTube thumbnails. Click the YouTube thumbnail option, and then here you can start designing your thumbnail. Either you can select a template and customize it, or you can start from scratch. Please note that some templates are paid, so you need to pay to customize them, whereas many are free, which you can customize and use for free. Let's select a template and create a thumbnail by customizing it. Here you can type your text. Arrange the size and the background box. Change the color. Just give any text you want. Let's delete the default image and replace it with our image. Here I have my demo image, so let me copy and paste it to the editor. Now you can set a background color. Let's choose a gradient so that it looks fancy. Finally, you can click Share and download. Select the file format. For thumbnails, PNG is recommended. Let's keep it and download and use it. Since we selected thumbnail, its height and width are adjusted with the correct size required by YouTube. You can experiment more, and you can create elegant thumbnails using this. It's as simple as Microsoft Word. No advanced skills required like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. Also, you can choose a logo from the options if you would like to create a logo for your company. Here you will get a list of templates. It's best practice to use templates if you would like to have a quick design, but you can construct from scratch if you don't find a template you like. Let's choose this template, then let's customize the text. Let's change the color. And finally, you can download it. Also, you can add animation to your design if you would like to export it in video format. Select animation type and apply it. Boom! It looks fancy. Then we can export as MP4 or other formats. That's the basic concept about logo design. Let's try how we can create spreadsheets. It looks like Excel, but here you can apply as many things as you want. And plus to that, you can export in any format, including MP4. Let's create the columns and fill demo data. You can drag to duplicate the entries. You can set background colors. And then you can export in any file format you want. By default, it's recommending CSV format, where you can be able to edit this in MS Excel. Let's try how you can create videos using Canva. Click the video option and select a template or start editing from scratch. I highly recommend using templates if you are a beginner. Let's start building from scratch. Set colors here. Let's bring an image and add it here. You can add more animations and texts. When selecting a template, if it's premium, you won't be allowed to use it unless you pay. CapCut is the best video editor if you want to create more professional videos. But here, Canva is best to create very short, fancy videos like intros, outros, or some kind of ad. Let's use this free template and let's customize it. Let's change the text. Let's play. Then you can export it as MP4 and use it. Finally, let's try how you can create documents. This is like MS Word, but it allows you to create a document with many graphics apart from just text. You can create stunning graphics directly inside the document with flexible exporting options. You can set a title here, and you can put the body here, including tables, other graphic content, and so on. You can add tables and you can customize them like MS Word. Even you can add many graphics. If you want to create a magazine or brochure, it's going to be good. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more beginner-friendly design tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tutorials every week.